And the race is on. Blitzkrieg from the outside is New Chapter. And on the further outside is Doña Erica. Down on the inside, Devil in Disguise, Manila Smile. And moving up is entry number 3, Strike Force. That's now New Chapter, Fabiola. Doña Erica is on the outside. Third, moving up, Blitzkrieg, Manila Smile, Devil in Disguise, Strike Force, Rube Knight, and Federal Court. Inside the last 600, New Chapter, Fabiola is getting closer in second. Blitzkrieg, down on the inside, Manila Smile, it's on the further outside. At still New Chapter, Fabiola is on the outside. Rube Knight on the further outside. Blitzkrieg, down on the inside, Manila Smile. As they race the final corner, Fabiola is now the leader. New Chapter, Blitzkrieg, down on the inside, Rube Knight, Manila Smile. And nearing the finish line, Fabiola draws clear by about 3 lengths now. Blitzkrieg down on the inside. And nearing the finish line, number 4, Fabiola. Blitzkrieg, close, New Chapter, Rube Knight. And for your Fentafecta, Manila Smile.